Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, grabbing your coffee, checking your phone, and seeing notifications that money came in overnight while you were completely unconscious. No alarm went off early, no boss called, no hustle required. That is the reality for thousands of people right now. And today I'm going to show you exactly how they do it with 7 real businesses that make money while you sleep. Let me start by asking you something. How many hours do you actually trade for money each week? Because most people are trapped in a game where the moment they stop working, the income stops too. But the 7 business models I'm about to walk you through break that rule completely. And the best part? Some of them cost almost nothing to start. Stay with me because number 3 is the one most people overlook. And it might be the most powerful on this entire list. Number 1 is selling digital products. Think about this. You create something once, an ebook, a template, a guide, a Photoshop preset, or a spreadsheet tool, and then you sell it an unlimited number of times forever. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it incredibly simple to list your product and let the sales roll in automatically. One designer reported making over $4,000 in a single month from selling resume templates she built in a single weekend. The effort was upfront, but the income kept flowing long after she closed her laptop. Now, if that sounds interesting, wait until you hear what comes next, because this next one scales even faster. Number 2 is print on demand. This model is genuinely one of the most beginner-friendly passive businesses in existence. You design graphics, upload them to a platform like Redbubble, Printful, or Merch by Amazon, and when someone buys a t-shirt or mug or hoodie with your design on it, the platform prints it, ships it, and handles customer service entirely for you. You never touch the inventory. You never see the product. The money simply lands in your account. The key is designing for specific niches and audiences that are passionate enough to buy. And speaking of audiences, the next business is all about building one and monetizing it on autopilot. Number 3 is content creation with ad revenue. YouTube channels, blogs, and podcasts can generate consistent advertising income long after the content is published. A YouTube video you uploaded 2 years ago can still earn money every single day as new viewers discover it. Many creators report that their older videos outperform their newest ones because they have had more time to accumulate views. The algorithm keeps serving that content, and the money keeps coming. This is exactly why so many creators are obsessed with building a library of content rather than just chasing viral moments. But if creating content sounds like too much work up front, this next one requires almost zero creative effort at all. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend other people's products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. You can do this through a blog, a newsletter, a social media account, or even a simple website. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once your link is out there in the world, it just keeps working. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are just a few of the programs that pay out commissions on thousands of products. Some affiliates earn passive income from content they created years ago. Now, if you want something with even more predictable monthly income, the next business model is built specifically for that. Number 5 is creating a subscription or membership. Instead of chasing one-time sales, a membership gives you recurring income. You build a community, a course library, or an exclusive content vault that people pay to access monthly. Once your members are in and happy, that income renews automatically without you lifting a finger. Platforms like Patreon, School, and Circle make this easier than ever to set up. The goal is to deliver so much ongoing value that people never want to cancel. And if you like the idea of owning something that appreciates over time, the next one on the list is the classic choice that has built generational wealth for centuries. Number 6 is rental income from real estate. Now, you might be thinking this one requires a lot of capital to get started, and while traditional real estate does, the barrier is lower than most people assume. House hacking, REITs, and short-term rental platforms like Airbnb have opened the door for everyday people to participate in real estate without necessarily owning an entire property outright. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, actually let you invest in commercial real estate portfolios the same way you would buy a stock. Monthly dividends come in automatically. No tenants, no toilets, no drama. And while real estate has been around forever, This final business model is the one that quietly powers a lot of modern wealth, and most people have never even considered it. Number 7 is building and selling software or apps. Before you say you are not a developer, hear me out. Today, you can build functional software tools using no-code platforms like Bubble, Glide, or Webflow. Entrepreneurs are creating simple niche tools, productivity apps, and browser extensions, charging a small monthly fee and earning consistent revenue with minimal ongoing work. One solo founder built a Chrome extension that solves a very specific problem for marketers and now earns several $1,000s a month with essentially zero maintenance. Once the product is built and the customers are in, the income becomes almost entirely passive. So there you have it. 7 real proven business models that generate income whether you are awake, asleep, on vacation, or just enjoying your life. The common thread through all of them is that you put in the effort up front, and then let systems, platforms, and automation do the heavy lifting for you. Now, here is the most important thing to understand. You do not need all 7. You just need one. Pick the model that aligns with your skills, your interests, and your starting budget, and go all in on it. The people earning money while they sleep did not stumble into it. They built it intentionally, and so can you.